Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today's topic is a personal one. It's all about you. Let's explore our past, our strengths, and the things that matter most in our lives. Question 1. What's the best thing that happened to you in elementary school? Was it a fun school trip, a teacher who inspired you, or making your first best friend? For example, one student said her favorite memory was when her drawing won a prize in an art contest. Question 2. What's the best thing people often experience in junior high school? Some say it's joining a club, others say it's discovering a subject they love. For instance, a boy said playing in his first school basketball game made him feel proud and confident. Question 3. What's the best thing that students often experience in senior high school, and why? Maybe it's preparing for a big performance, falling in love, or deciding what to do in the future. One student said that getting accepted into her dream department made her feel all her hard work paid off. Question 4. What achievement have you made in your life so far? What happened? Maybe you won an award, helped someone, or overcame a fear. For example, a shy student once gave a full speech in English in front of the whole class. That was a big moment for him. Question 5. What worries you now or in the near future? Explain with examples. Is it about grades, getting into a good school, or making friends? One student said she's worried she won't find a job she enjoys after graduation. Question 6. If you could change one thing in your life, what would it be? Would you change a decision you made or something about yourself? A boy shared that he wished he had started learning English earlier because now he feels behind. Question 7. What's one personality trait you have? Is it helpful in your life? Maybe you're patient, creative, or very curious. For instance, being kind helped one student make friends easily and work well in teams. Question 8. What do you treasure most in your life? And why? Is it a person, a memory, a value, or even a skill? One student said she treasures her family dinners because they bring everyone together after a long day. Question 9. What has changed or affected you the most in life? What happened? Maybe it was moving to a new school, losing someone, or reading a book that opened your mind. For example, a student said learning to play the guitar helped him build confidence. Now, question 10. What are you good at? What helped you become good at it, and how important is it? It could be drawing, solving puzzles, or public speaking. One girl said she's good at organizing events, and that skill helps her at school and in volunteer work. Question 11. Do you like yourself? What makes you like or not like yourself? This is about self-acceptance. For example, a boy said he likes that he's loyal to his friends, but wishes he didn't procrastinate so much. Question 12. What skill or ability do you need for your future? How will you learn it? Maybe it's communication, coding, cooking, or managing money. One student said she wants to improve her English speaking skills, so she watches English videos every day and practices speaking with friends. Each of these questions helps us understand who we are, what we value, and who we want to become. Take your time, think deeply, and share your answers in your own words. See you in the discussion. And don't forget, knowing yourself is the first step to growing yourself.